Namaskar. Today we are going to learn about Sankeerna Jati 9 bits. Today I will show you some usage of Sankeerna Jati in footwork.
Taka diga taka taki te flat hill 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 flat hill hill. Now from another side, taka diga taka taki te. Now do it together. Taka diga taka taki te taka diga taka taki te. Now nines. Flat hill hill brush flat hill hill. Then from this side, flat hill brush flat hill hill. Taka diga taka taki te taka diga taka taki te. Another variation of nines is taka demi taka takite taka demi taka takite, or taka ghene taka takite taka ghene taka takite. Now we are doing taka demi taka takite. Taka demi taka takite taka demi taka takite. Flat hill, then slant hill, then flat hill. Then from the left feet, flat hill, slant hill, flat hill. Taka dimi taka takite taka dimi taka takite. Now taka ghene taka takite taka ghene taka takite.
That's all for today. If you have any queries regarding the class, please feel free to do so in the comment section. Also, for detailed online and offline class, you can mail me. You can find my mail address in the description box below. See you in the next class. Till then, practice hard, practice properly. Happy dancing. Namaskar.